Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Today we are going to unbox Vinod's Tuscany stainless steel 5-piece cookware set. This has 5 pieces as the name says. So let's get started and see what is on the box, and then followed by what is inside the box and having a look at each and every piece which is inside the box. Come, let's get started. So this is the box which I have received. First, let's see what is on the box. So this has a fry pan which is 18 centimeters, a saucepan which is 14 centimeters, which is 1.3 liters, a casserole which is 14 centimeters, again 1.3 liters, one more casserole which is 16 centimeters, which is 2 liters, and one more casserole which is 18 centimeters and is of 2.8 liters. This we got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link to this item in the description so that if anyone of you interested, you can have a look. So this is induction friendly, and here you can say it is gas hob, induction, electrical hob, oven, and ceramic friendly as well. Ceramic hob friendly as well. You can see the clear picture here of what are all the things inside. This is the Tuscany stainless steel 5-piece cookware set. Vinod intelligent cookware, and these are all extra deep. Okay, this side you can just have a look. Now let's open this up. So this is the warranty card. Stainless steel cookware, 24 months warranty, terms warranty, keep for future reference. So this needs to be saved. This portion you should affix a postage stamp and send it across to this after filling in the details. So I'll keep this aside. First I'll arrange everything outside, then we'll see one by one. So that's it in the box. Let's keep the box aside. Lid number 1, lid number 2, lid number 3, casserole 1, casserole 2, casserole 3, lid number 1, lid number 2, lid number 3, and this is saucepan, and this is a fry pan. So let's see one by one. This is a small saucepan. You can see how small it is. I'm just holding it like this in my hand. You can see this way. This is a small saucepan. You can judge based on my hand size how small or how big it is. This is how big it is. And this lid will fit this. This is a glass lid, very nice grip and very strong. The glass is thick, and the rim is also thick, and seems to be very heavy metal. So very no tension of food boiling over and pushing the lid off. This is quite heavy, and this is very small, cute. Now coming to the next size. You can see how small this is. This is slightly bigger than this. Nice. This you can use for maybe 250 ml of milk, or to boil small vegetables kind of thing. Very handy and very small and cute. This, if you are cooking for one person, this should be sufficient. And coming to this will suffice if you are cooking vegetables or dal for 2 people. This will be sufficient. This is slightly bigger than this one, and this lid will fit this. As I mentioned, this lid also, if you see, very sturdy and very thick. The rim is also very thick, and the glass is also very thick. And here you can see Vinod mentioned here. And this is a steam escape outlet which is provided for safety purposes. And this is a snug fit on the utensil. And this is how much big it is. These are all induction friendly bottom. You can see here. Extra heavy bottom is what is mentioned here, and the bottom is very thick. This is a sandwich bottom, induction friendly, which means you can also use it on gas stove. And having induction friendly bottom also advantageous for ensuring that food doesn't get burnt when you are frying or you are doing tadka or any kind of oil on this. There is a lesser chance of food being burnt from in this kind of utensils. And inside, if you see, the welding is not so clean. It's like slightly, the finish is not smooth. You can see properly here. And if I have to show you the other side, you can see here also the welding is not so smooth. If you see outside, there is a gap here. There is a gap between the welding knob and the handle. You can see the gap. So let's see if it is the same in this, in the smaller one. Yeah, you can see in the smaller one also. But I think that should not affect the quality of cooking. This portion in this as well as this very heavy, but this rim is not very heavy. This is like a regular tapela or your regular tope in which you cook, you store your food. We're not very thick. Now let's come to the other saucepan, other casserole, the bigger one. This is the 2.8 liters one. This is, I think you can boil 2 liters of milk in this, or make dal for 3 people, curries for 3 people. This is the same like. The welding is all same as it was in the other one. You can see the gap, and again this is heavy. Here it says dishwash safe, induction bottom, Vinod cookware, stainless steel, made in India. Now this lid again is quite heavy, the same kind of lid, heavy rim, heavy glass, and this is a snug fit. This, I think these 3 are cook and serve. You can cook and get it straight to the dining table to be served. These looks very cute for and can be used as serveware as well. You can see how cute these look. You can cook and bring it straight to the table and use it as tableware as well because of the looks. This looks very nice. Now let's go to the saucepan. We come to the saucepan. You see how big this saucepan is. This is the same size as this casserole. The handle is not too thick but very good to handle, meaning it's very it has a very friendly grip. And again you can see the weld marks here inside, weld marks here. This is how the small or big is, and you can see how the handle is built here. It's welded on, so there is no risk of the screws coming off and the handle coming off. But if you see the welding, it is not too good. The finishing is not so good. You can see the weld mark here, and this has a hanging keyhole as well, where you can hang your saucepan like this. This lid fits this seat. So this lid is dual purpose for this as well as this. This also has the sandwich bottom. Meaning you can use it for induction as well as gas. Now let's come to this fry pan. So this is the this size fry pan. You can maybe fry an omelette, or you can fry sabji, or anything small quantities you can do on this. Heavy because of the sandwich bottom, but yeah, and very sturdy, easy to handle. Again, if you see the handle, this is the same like the saucepan, welded in. You can see the weld marks here and also this side. There is a gap between the handle and the bezel, meaning there is a chance of some kind of dirt or grime to settle inside, and with use this becomes a very difficult place where you can clean it up. So grime might settle inside, and it is a hard to reach spot to clean. And this and the biggest casserole share a lid. Overall, if you see, this is good to have if you have a small family, like 1 or 2 family and maybe with a kid, because you can use this for making sabji, for dal, for milk, for small frying, and for maybe cooking rice, or if you want to boil milk or cook any kind of curries, this also can be used. So having all this together will satisfy the need for your family. So you are set for cooking your cooking needs. You just have to need one more pressure cooker, and you are all set with your kitchen. So that is how it is. So let me arrange it so that you can have a look what were all the things which were inside this. So you can see the fry pan, the saucepan, the small casserole, the medium casserole, and the big casserole. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching.